Hello dear students, in this video we are going to cover scope and characteristics of management accounting. Myself Professor Vaishali Bharat Ghola. Okay, first of all we are going to see the basic characteristics of management accounting. The main objective of management accounting is to record, analyze and present financial data to the management in such a way that it becomes useful and helpful in planning and running the business operations systematically and successfully, also effectively. That is the main motto of management accounting. There are some basic characteristics of management accounting. First and most important characteristics of management accounting is providing financial information. The main emphasis of management accounting is to provide financial information to the management. The information is provided in the manner suitable to various levels of the organization for reviewing the policies and decision making. Second characteristics is cause and effect analysis. See, financial accounting confine itself to presentation of profit and loss account and balance sheet. The management accounts analyze the cause and effect of the fact and figures thereon. For example, if there is a loss, cause for the loss are investigated in management accounting, and if there is a profit, the variable affecting the profit are also analyzed, and the amount of profit is compared with the expenditure, sales, capital employed to draw the appropriate conclusion relating to the effect of those items on the profit. That is cause and effect analysis. Another characteristic is use of special techniques and concept. The management accounting employs special techniques like standard costing, budgetary control, marginal costing, fund flow, cash flow, ratio analysis, responsibility accounting. These are techniques, these all techniques we are going to cover in this lecture series video of management accounting. Okay, the management accounting employs special techniques like standard costing, budgetary control, marginal costing, fund flow, cash flow, ratio analysis, responsibility accounting to make accounting data more useful and helpful to the management. Each of these techniques or concept is useful tool for specific purpose in the analysis and interpretation of the data, establishing control over the operations. That is basic characteristics of management accounting, use of special techniques and concept. Then decision making. The main objective of management accounting is to provide the relevant information to the management to take various important decisions. Historical information provide a base on which the future impact is predicted, alternatives are developed, and decisions are made to select the most beneficial course of action. That's why it helps in decision making. No fixed conventions. As financial accounting has various established principles and rules in preparing the financial accounts. But in case of management accounting, there has no fixed rules. The tools or techniques applied by the management accounting are same, but applications of these techniques varies from concern to concern or organization to organization, or we can say situations to situation. The interpretation of analysis of data depends on persons using it. The conclusions derived from the application of techniques depends on the intelligence and experience of the management account. The presentation of information depends on the requirement of concern. That's why every concern has its own ways of applications of the techniques to suit its need. That's why there is no fixed convention in management accounting. Achievements of objectives. Management accounting is useful in realizing the enterprise objectives. Okay, based on the historical information and with adjustment for the prediction future changes, objectives are laid down and actual performance is recorded and comparison of actual with predetermined result is made. If there is a deviation of the actual from the predetermined result, corrective action is taken and predicted objectives are achieved. Okay, this become possible with the help of management accounting techniques of standard costing and budgetary costing. That's why it helps in achievement of objective. That is most important object characteristics of management accounting. Then improving the efficiency. As the purpose of accounting is to provide the informations to increase the efficiency of department divisions can be improved by fixation of targets or goals for the specific period of time. In this, actual performance is compared with the targets, and then positive deviation is rewarded and negative deviations are probed by ascertain the causes. Okay, the way and the means to tackle the cause are analyzed and targets are achieved. This process of fixing and achieving the targets leads to the gradual improvement in the overall efficiency. Okay, improving the efficiency. Then forecasting in management accounting is concerned with the taking decisions for future implementation based on the historical data. That's why this involves prediction and forecasting of future. It helpful in planning and lay down of the objectives. And last and most important characteristics is it providing information, not decision. See, management accounting provides financial information, not the decisions. That is why it is said that management accounting depends on the efficiency of the management in using the information and taking effective decisions. These are all characteristics of management accounting. Okay, now we are going to see the scope of management accounting. Management accounting is very wide scope and broad base. It includes various aspects of business operations. Okay, first and most important scope of management accounting is accounting. See, accounting is nothing but the recording, classifying, summarizing, and analyzing of various business transactions. And the process of accounting basically takes two forms. First is financial accounting and then cost accounting. See, financial accounting deals with the recording of the business transactions which are financial in nature, and it aims at the preparation of final accounts. Okay, there are two final accounts of financial statement. First is profit and loss account, or also we can say the income statement or profitability statement, which tells about the result of the operations of the business, which is the profit earned or loss incurred. Then second financial statement is balance sheet, which tells about the situation of the business in terms of various assets, liabilities. Okay, the financial statement are mainly meant for the outsider dealing with the business. That is financial accounting. Then cost accounting. It deals with the recording of the income and expenditure and ascertainment of cost and profitability, and the presentation of information derived therefrom for the purpose of managerial decision making. Thus, cost accounting is basically meant for the internal people of the management to enable it to take the decisions. Okay. Then second scope of management accounting is forecasting and budgeting. This refers to the formulation of budget forecast using the standard norms in cooperation with the operating and other departments of the business concern. In large organization, budgeting activities regarded as the highly skilled functions. Therefore, management accounting department must play a major role in the process of making estimates for the future. Then cost control techniques. Management accounting department works in coordination with the cost department of any organization. Therefore, techniques of cost control like standard costing, variance analysis, responsibility accounting are used by the management accountant. Then statistical data. It concerned with the supply of necessary statistical data information particularly needed by various departments of the business concern. This includes the statistical compliance of case studies, engineering records, minutes of meetings, special surveys, and many other business documents which are included in statistical data. Then taxation. It deals with the computation of incomes as per the law, then filing the tax returns and making the tax payment. Methods and procedures. They are concerned with standardization of methods and procedures in all field of management for improving the efficiency as well as for reducing the cost considerably. This work involves preparation of standard procedures, manuals for various business activity. Here we can say that we take the example like management accounting. Division of the organizations may design the standard purchase procedures which will be followed by the departments involved in that activity. That is my methods and procedures. Then reporting. It deals with the presentation of cost data, statistical data, or any other informations to the various levels of management, and it may be required for the purpose of decision making or for the purpose of fulfillment of various legal obligations. That is reporting. Then last and most important scope of management accounting is audit. See, it deals with the devising the internal control system and internal audit system to cover the various operational areas of business. Okay. In many cases, it may also deals with the management audit, which is the evaluation of the managerial performance. This is all about the scope of management accounting. Okay. These are the scopes and these are the characteristics of management accounting. Thank you.